guys, welcome to Bendability Hip Series, video 1. We're going to go over a real simple hip opener, help stretch out some of the adductors, some of the external rotators in the glutes, and just get into this deeper position that we'll be progressing through for the remainder of the videos. To start out, we don't need any equipment. All we're going to do is we're going to start on the ground. A nice comfy surface is always recommended, as doing this on a hard surface can really be a little tougher on the knees. What you're going to do first is we're going to be into half kneeling. From here, from your half kneeling position, I want you to take an extra step forward, just a half step forward with that front foot. From there, you're going to have your hands down in between the legs or inside this front foot. Now, I want you to drop your hips forward so we get this nice straight line from shoulder to knee. You're going to rotate to show that. So again, we're going to be half kneeling position, half a step forward, hands to the inside of the foot, drop your hips so you get a nice straight line from your shoulder to your knee. Now from here, we're going to drop the hips a bit forward and then push that knee out to the side. You're going to bring it back, kind of flex the hip a little bit, and then nice and slow, drop it forward again. Okay? Now as you drop forward, you're going to be pushing that front knee out to the side. So we're going to go through this series on the left side, then we're going to go through the series on the right side. So again, in that downward position, from here, drop the hips forward, push the knee out, and come back. That's one. Good. Dropping forward, out. That's two. Good. Out. And three. Out. And four. Out. And five. Out. And six. Out. Go, there's seven. Really focus on pushing out. Out. Push that knee out. There's eight. Drop the hips forward. Out. 9. Dropping forward, pushing out. And there's 10. Okay, now we're going to keep the hips down. So we're going to keep down in this position. And we're just going to focus on moving the front leg. Now when you move the front leg, you can use your hand if you're having trouble getting a lot of range out of this. You can either use your elbow or you can use your hand. You can use your brain as well. We're just going to use the muscles to really work on this external rotation here. So from here, I want you to move it out, keep the hips down, rock onto the side of the foot, and then nice and slow bring it back. If you're going to use your hand, push out, and then bring it back. Make sure you're not pushing yourself away. You don't want to push yourself away from the foot. Okay? So from here, push out, and back, out, and back. Again, out, and back, out, and back, out, and back. A few more. Out, and back, out, and back. Last one. Out, and back. Good. Coming back to center. Okay, next up. Right side, same position, so half kneeling, you're gonna take an extra half step, both hands to the inside. Okay, from here, again, we're gonna be dropping the hips forward, push the knee out just a bit. Okay, come on up, there's one, forward, push out, there's two, good. Forward and out, three, forward and out, there's four, forward and out. There's 5. Remember, sit back. Take a little pressure out of that back hip. Good. Forward and out. There's 6. Forward and out. There's 7. Forward and out. And 8. Forward and out. 9. Forward and out. And 10. Now again, we're going to bring that knee back in. Drop the hips forward so your hips are staying forward. And then either using your elbow, your hand, or just your brain, we're gonna drop that knee out to the side. Give me a good hold and bring it back. Good, out to the side, good hold, and back. Good, out to the side. Again, if you need to use your hand. Don't push yourself away. And back, out to the side, 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 and back. Last one, out to the side, hold. Good, stretch through, drop the hips forward, and bring it on back. Okay. If you're feeling a little bit more tightness, feel free, restart the video, run through that series again. Take it a little slower maybe than the count that I went through, but it's just a great spot to get started with. That's the end of your first video for this hip series. Again, trying to open up some of these external rotators, working on the inner thighs here.